Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making beautiful marbled trays, perfect for your vanity or dresser. Great place to keep your glasses and your jewelry. And we're doing it with the help of our friends at Walnut Hollow, who were kind enough to send us a bunch of beautiful oval and French corner plaques. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some marbled trays. Make sure to check out walnuthollow.com. They have tons of beautiful wood pieces, perfect for a project like this. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.